So in today's episode, we are turning in our spare coins and change that we've collected over the last 30 days to go to the thrift store to see what items we could buy to flip online for a profit. Getting the cash. All right, so what was your guess?
$28.
You could have gone a little lower.
Aw, okay. What do we got?
20 bucks.
20 bucks, okay.
20 bucks. I think we can still turn that into some really good sales.
I didn't think so.
Hey there.
Let's get away so we can.
Yeah, you can grab one. Here, do you want to look these? Look them up there.
You want me to get a second cart?
Sure.
Put the stuff in for her.
Yeah, you can grab another one.
That one's bigger. We should probably put her in the big one.
Okay.
The dinosaur train.
All camping stoves. Battle.
You need to speed up the.
How's it going?
How are you?
Doing well. Trying to get it all clear, huh? But it keeps coming in.
Always.
Santa Claus. Swallow this ghost. Okay, so spare change was $20.
Yeah.
We've picked up quite a few things. It's
Got some things. I've got some things.
decision time. We're gonna add up where we're at, and if we got to put something back, we're gonna stay loyal to it.
Yeah,
We're gonna
we'll
put
stick
something
to our
back.
$20 budget.
But I'm gonna also talk over my wife. She's gonna show me what she found. I'm gonna show her what I found, and we'll decide on it.
Okay.
So go with toys first. These figures caught my eye. I saw a bow tie on a dinosaur.
Yeah, that's gotta be from something.
All these characters, you see the eyes? Like they have faces. They are from a series by Jim Henson. It was like the Learning Curve Dino Train.
Oh, Dino Train. I feel like I've heard about that.
It was
from
like
somebody.
2010. It's weird. There's like 1,000 listed because they had so many different building blocks and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
There's a few hundred sold, but like some of them were doing like the original cast for like 50 bucks, 60 bucks.
Doing a lot of the characters.
So for $3, I may just do a large lot, even if I get 20 bucks for all this. Not bad, $3. We sold this kind of stuff before.
Yeah,
It's
vacuum.
Dyson OEM. It's got the Dyson label right there. Like this one's still in the bag. This one alone is $25 free shipping, but it's got these additional brushes. So once again, $4 into 20. Something good that we've loved coming here to this thrift store for. Rocco Vargas. We have actually sold this one before. This one's a definite
Okay.
$2. There's none listed. The best offer was like $45. So once again, we'll go conservative. 30 bucks. So I'm at 9. This one's only 50 cents, and the last one sold for $65. Nightmare Alley. So that one's good. So we're not quite at 10 bucks. Okay, here's where it's tough. Not a great sell through. Jamie Hernandez, like manga artist.
Okay.
It's $5. Pre-owned ones did sell for like 40. So this one's kind of on the fence because there's quite a few listed still.
Okay.
And only 2 sold.
Okay.
It's a cool book though. It's in great shape. So I'll take our little one. So if I'm not counting that book, I'm at $9.50. Okay. So what do you have?
This is a Lily Pulitzer tank top. It's not the season for tank tops, but still Lily Pulitzer. It always does well for us. It's $4. On the low end, it would get $20, but it's all on style and print.
Yeah.
So it could be more, but I think at least 20 bucks. These are some leggings called Carrots. I feel like I've heard Derek from ATL Flippers talk about this before, and that's why it kind of caught my eye. They're like equestrian leggings. These are also $4, and they'll go anywhere from $30 to $40. So that puts me at
like 60 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you said 20.
$8. So I'm
okay. So if we say yes to these 2, I think we're like maxed out on budget.
This was my maybe. It's a Carhartt crew neck. I think it would be considered like new other.
Yeah, they pulled the tag off, but
you can tell like it's never been worn. They want $6 for it though. And
what would you probably make if you sold it?
If we could call it new other, probably like 30, 35.
Okay, but this little girl says hi. She's right here. she's pretty active, but sadly, I think either we put something back there and we take one of these, or like we're stretched at 20 bucks. Okay, because I do have the Dyson stuff for $4, and if I put that back, we can for sure get the book. But if we don't get the book, we can for sure get the sweatshirt.
Okay, we got some decisions to make.
Look back over this. There's only 2 listed new other for $75 and $100 bucks. But the 2 that were listed pre-owned went for $45 and $55. So we put the Dyson stuff back.
Yes.
It's gonna move a little slower.
Instead.
And I think someone's buying the sweatshirt for themselves.
This is probably not going to be part of the $20. I might just get it for myself.
But our grand total, by putting the $4 item back, we were at 18. Takes us down to 14. This puts us at $19. But then we're going to quickly show you what we're going to potentially make on this deal.
Yeah.
Spare change, babe.
Yeah.
Like spare change. Addie, can you believe it? It was spare change. She's still looking for something that she wants. Oh.
Oh, my back.
This is what we do as our business. We flip some of this stuff.
Oh, really?
You know?
Okay. Yeah, we have a lot of people that do that.
So I saved up my spare change. It's just one of the 50-cent
Oh,
ones.
okay, gotcha. I'm like, what is?
Saved up our spare change for a month
Okay.
to show with your leftover change
What you can do.
what you can sell this stuff for
I
and make
got you.
you some money. Like
That's right.
showing people you can turn your spare change into
You can
some money, you know.
Exactly. All right, you're at 1737.
17
Even
did even better than I thought.
Even cheaper than we thought.
And do you have your punch card?
I was at 20 bucks. Yeah, so that's spare change, okay? You know what this is gonna be? $20 worth of spare change. That's like a meal for us at Chick-fil-A, for us to go grab some food and stuff. Low end, I calculated it up when I was doing everything, and we actually did less. We got it for $17.
Yeah, it was like $17.50.
And we're gonna make $200. Yes, your spare change can turn into like fine dining meals, okay? So whether you're doing this to pay bills, fun money, good stuff like that, going out to eat money, you can be a reseller. You can do it. It doesn't take spending hundreds of dollars. This was spare change collected over 30 days. So thanks for watching the video. If you like this little challenge, we'll do it again. Maybe we'll find the coins in the car or something next time.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching.
Dump and change.
Subscribe. We'll see you next time.